Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch C2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and after you see it, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the language settings. Then once you find it, tap on it, and here we have list of languages. As you can see, we can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the language should be applied. You can also sync the language with your application if your watch is paired with a phone. So if you turn on this option here at the top, there is a switch. It should be toggleable, but for some reason I can toggle it. I believe it's because my watch is not paired with a phone, but if it was, you would be able to toggle this option and it will sync your language with your phone basically. Then you can tap the check mark to confirm, but let me change the language to English. Like this, and once you're back, or rather once you're done changing the language, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.